Hey there guys, what's going on today? Another review vid with PWKF30, and this is the final video of the 2015 holiday slash Christmas slash Hanukkah exclusives from Crazy Art's Thinking Putty line. Now, this one actually came with two tops for some reason. The Sleigh Bells, my fault, and came in this little pack, nice little party pack, holiday pack. And yeah, so I actually made part one of this, but then I decided just to scrap it because I kind of messed up a few times with something, and I was starting this one and then the battery died, so I figured, screw it, let me start over and do all three of them. So first I'm going to do this one, and keep in mind these, I don't know if this is going to be something new that Crazy Aaron does, for the normal size putties. Personally, I hope he does, because a lot of people have trouble getting the putty out, or it sticks to the top of the tin. I mean, you could just twist it out, and it's just, it's still, some people it takes a few minutes to get out, but he put these little transparent discs in between the putty and the tin so it doesn't happen. So that's very convenient, good idea. So I'll start off with this one, since I'm pretty sure these were done already in the past. Not by me, but in general. Well, actually, I did do the holiday lights. I never did the Rudolph's nose, though. But this is a miniature pack, and you get, 3 exclusive every year, and 3 exclusives and 1 new one. So this is Sleigh Bells, never before done. It's a color change in hypercolor, and that's the normal color. It's almost like a gum, like a beige color. And so I got my hot water here and cold. So this is the warm color. Alright, I can tell you that already. First I wasn't sure, but I'll show you here. Alright. Yeah, good for little molds too, I guess. But yeah, so that's the warm, and this is the cold. Just took this out of the freezer, so I'm going to put that on the cold part. And as you can see, it's different. Now if I twist it, it's almost like a darker caramel-like color. So I don't know how good it comes out on the, I'm actually gonna, just to get the color here, to show a little bit easier. Alright, cold, there you go, see, look how bold that is. I don't know how well it's showing up on the camera, but it's like almost a piss yellow, but, no, but it's honestly, it's like a caramel coffee color. Stretches well, see the transparent. Alright. So, color changes alright. That's the bouncy now. Alright. Bounces well. See how it tears. Tears smoothly. And you can see the darker color in there too, that's cool. A little bit. Maybe hard to see, I don't know. With the light. Let's test how it... I already tested previously how it peels. It doesn't peel very good, unfortunately, so yeah, I'll do the bubble. Pops well. Sculpts well too, Like you could make a little, I don't know, little tree or something. Yeah. But yeah, I'll try the peel off trick just to show you guys. It doesn't really work too well. See, very vague. Very vague. Doesn't peel it off like you would expect it by color too. So yeah, so that's the Sleigh Bells color. Then you got the holiday lights. Okay, so that one has a disc there. This one, like I said, I think I did last year. A few other people did. It's like a bold green with like sparkles, red and gold and silver, glitter and whatnot. Doesn't change color or anything. It's just, it does glow though, I think. So let me get the, see how it glows. Oh. There we go. Alright, shut off the lights. There, see, it's like very vague. Doesn't really glow too much, not nearly as bright as the White Christmas or the Ectoplasm. It's okay. Not the best glowing putty, but it's alright. It glows a little bit. It shows better in person than it does on camera. So that's that one. You bounce it. Stretch it. Does the transparent window thing. When you stretch it, it kind of gets a little bit more transparent. You can see the glitter in it easier. Tears. So yeah. So that's the holiday lights. And then lastly, you have the Rudolph's nose. Holiday special edition. This one I never had. It's like a blood red. But with also, with sparkles in it and glitter and whatnot. Doesn't do anything special. It's just a bold blood color. So yeah, you know, I mean, it's really different, you know. It's like a cool red, like a blood dark red. I like that to it. You know. Tears. Bounces. So that's that. Those are the 3 exclusive colors from the little pack. They all make great bubbles, by the way. Comment, rate, subscribe, guys. I'll have some more putty vids in the future, and more game putty vids too. Can't even get this to pop. There we go. Okay. There you have it. Holiday pack. Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty 2015. Comment, rate, subscribe, guys. I'll see you later, and I will have more putty vids in the future. Oh, that's not a holiday one. There. See ya.